And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the I tag. It's basically a tag used for formatting. It makes your text italic. Let me just add it right here to the word italic. It has a closing tag. If I reload it, you can see the word is now written in italic. If you forget the closing tag, everything after the opening tag will be italic. So it's going to look like this, and the browser basically sees the closing italic right here at the end of the content. Don't mistake this tag with the EM tag, which stands for emphasis. It has the same formatting, so if I add it, let's say to technical, and now I reload it in browser, it looks the same, but EM is for emphasis. That doesn't just have a formatting meaning, it simply puts emphasis on your words, so if you want to have a certain part of a text stand out. And the I tag is only used for formatting, so there's a little bit of a difference even though you can't see it in the browser. And this is how you can use the I tag in HTML. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.